Today we're gonna make an interesting recipe called biscuits and gravy. But you know, this time I'm not gonna use sausage. So let's use Spam. We don't always have to use sausage. I wonder what kind of Spam we should use for this. Let me think about it real hard. This is it. Our ingredients are gonna include, of course, our awesome Spam, our buttermilk biscuits, half and half, red pepper flakes because the spice is nice, garlic powder, and roughly a cup of flour, a stick of butter. So I'm trying to figure out how to open this. Oh, there we go. That wasn't so hard. So let's open our can of Spam. I know it's a lot easier than those biscuits. See, you just pull, rip that sucker out. Ooh, got a little in my mouth as it flew out. And of course, this is probably the hardest part. It's a little exercise. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and cube some of this up so we can fry it up. So we're gonna add a little olive oil, let this pan heat up, and we'll put our Spam in. Time to put our biscuits in the oven. Let's put them on the middle rack, in the dirty oven, of course. We still haven't cleaned it because you want a well-seasoned oven. So the next thing we do is add a little butter, a whole stick of little butter, that is. Kind of work that around there because you want your Spam to be flavorful of butter. We're gonna take our flour, so we're gonna pour a little of this in here, and we're gonna constantly whisk this in and create a thickened sort of paste, or some people call it roux. Put that in one spot, and now we go get our half and half. So let's pour this in, and we'll go ahead and get that going. Keep stirring and stirring to make a gravy. Let's take this opportunity to put our spices in. Our red pepper flakes, a couple dashes of the garlic powder, and we'll stir that in. Now I'll let it heat up to somewhat of a boil and keep stirring, and it will thicken, and then it will be done. Hey, let's check our biscuits. Oh man, I'm lucky I checked those. I was almost on the edge of burning those biscuits. Oh, look at those perfectly browned biscuits. When we know we're done, just pick it up with the spoon and do this. See how it just falls off? This is done. And we can't have this treat without more fried Spam. Here we go. You definitely don't need salt. It's fantastic. This is one of the best new traditions in my life that I'm gonna have. Awesome. Thank you, Eric, for the suggestion.